Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and lot more. So today we are creating a brown and black smoky eye look, and this look is suitable for winters, for any party or anything. Now I'm applying Vaseline for the better dryness free face. So I have already moisturized my face earlier than Vaseline. So now I'm using my Vaseline on lips also. So we are going to use this shadow, and this shadow is from MAC, and the other palette which I have shown you, it's from Shivana Cosmetics. So now I am using the MN concealer for my eyes so that the eyeshadow will long last. So I am just blending the concealer with the help of Beauty Blender, and now we will start using our eyeshadow for our eyes. So first I'm taking the Urban Decay brush, and I'm taking the lighter brown shade and going to spread it all over my eyes. This shadow will be the base of the look, because it's really important to use some brown color under your smoky eyes. This is a tip here. So I'm using my fingers as well, and now using my MAC shadow, which is a bit on the side of silver, and it turns out to be so freaking gorgeous, and I use it every time I go for parties, any weddings. And this is quite old shadow, but I really love it, and this can go along with any look. So I'm using my finger again, because smoky eye is really natural thing. If you do it with your fingers, it will turn out to be so natural and a parlor type look. So now I'm using my brush and spreading my eyeshadow all over the eyes so that it will look more decent and more perfect. So the brush also, it's quite old and I really love it, but I don't remember the brand, that's why I'm not mentioning. Now I'm using the Lakme Insta waterproof eyeliner. This is the only liquid eyeliner I use, and this suits me well. So I'm just drawing a very thin line, because we are creating a, you can say, a smoky eye, so we no need to do any drama with our eyeliner. Now I'm curling my eyelashes, because we are not going to apply any fake eyelashes. And now I applied 2 coats of mascara. The mascara is from Maybelline, and this turns out to be so great for lower and upper eyelashes. Now I'm using my Color Essence Ivory foundation. So this foundation is like a BB cream, and it works as a concealer and foundation both, so you no need to apply any extra base or a concealer for it, and you can yourself see it changes your whole face. Now I'm making my eyebrows with the help of Brow Glow, which is a new brand, and I really love how it turned out to for your eyebrows, because this color is brown and it suits with your hairs. So you can yourself see, if you make your eyebrows, it make a huge difference onto your face. So I'm just reducing a bit of the corners, because I don't like to make it more artificial. I love more natural look, so this is why I have did a little bit lightness. Now I'm using the Mion palette and taking the copper red shade. This is not red, it's copper brown sort of a shade, and I'm blending it with the help of brush and mixing it with the smoky black MAC eyeshadow, so that it will turn out to be so decent and different look. And you can see how I'm mixing my liner and everything together. So now I'm just setting if anything left nearby. So you can see now I'm taking the compact brush and putting my compact with the help of brush, and the compact I'm using, it's from Maybelline Fit Me. And now I'm taking my blush from Color Bar, and this is pink in color, and it has a little bit of highlights essence, that's why I'm not using any highlight. Now I'm using my Huda Beauty Nude Brown lip matte shade, which is so freaking great. It makes you look more decent and classy. So guys, that's all for the video, and this is the final look what I have created. Make sure to leave a comment, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful makeup tutorials, and I hope you'll love to see